So, the markets are going wild after Trump's win. It's fascinating to see how investors are reacting.
Absolutely. It's a clear indication of how much his policies can impact the economy, both domestically and globally.
The article also mentions that Trump's policies could lead to higher inflation. What are the implications of that?
Higher inflation could lead to higher interest rates, which could slow down economic growth. It could also make it more expensive for businesses to borrow money, which could hurt their profits.
It's a complex situation with a lot of moving parts. It's hard to predict exactly how things will play out.
Absolutely. The market is always in flux, and it's impossible to predict the future with certainty. But it's clear that Trump's policies will have a significant impact on the economy, and investors are trying to position themselves accordingly.
It's fascinating to see how the market reacts to political events. It's a constant game of speculation and anticipation.
Indeed, the stock market is a reflection of investor sentiment, and that sentiment is heavily influenced by political events. It's a dynamic and unpredictable system.
I wonder what the long-term implications of Trump's policies will be. Will they ultimately benefit the economy, or will they lead to instability?
That's a question that only time can answer. There are strong arguments to be made on both sides. It's a complex issue with no easy answers.
It's certainly a topic that will continue to be debated for years to come.
Absolutely. The impact of Trump's policies will be felt for a long time, and the debate about their effectiveness will likely continue for years to come.
The article mentions that the S&P 500 had its best day in nearly 2 years. What's driving this surge?
It seems like investors are betting on a combination of factors. Trump's policies, like tax cuts and deregulation, are seen as potentially boosting economic growth. This could lead to higher inflation, which is why we're seeing a jump in interest rates.
It's interesting that bank stocks are leading the charge. Why are they doing so well?
It's a combination of factors. A stronger economy means more loans being taken out, which benefits banks. Additionally, Trump's deregulation could make it easier for banks to operate, leading to higher profits.
But the article also mentions some losers. The renewable energy industry seems to be taking a hit. Why is that?
Trump's policies are generally seen as favoring fossil fuels over renewable energy. He's likely to roll back regulations and subsidies that support the renewable energy sector, which could hurt companies in that industry.
Tesla is an interesting case. It's doing well despite the potential impact on the electric vehicle industry. What's going on there?
Tesla is already a major player in the electric vehicle market, so it might be able to weather the storm better than smaller companies. Additionally, Musk's close relationship with Trump could give Tesla an edge.